everybody, how you doing? It's Justine here for the Scrappery. This is actually a one of our older kits. It's the Willow kit. It's actually still available, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, so all is not lost. If you love what you see, you can still get it. I don't know how many Renelle will have, but I'm sure that she's got at least a couple there or something. So yeah, it was a beauty, like another one of my favourite kits. I think I say that about all of them, but yeah. And this was, I had a bit of fun with this because the colours were a little bit different for me. I don't normally do sort of the browns and, well, there wasn't a lot of florals. Let's just put it that way. You're not going to be seeing a lot of flowers in this one. And I was just having a bit of fun sort of building up. I wanted to do it sort of like a card on the side of my page. So I decided to sort of work off the page a bit and build it up in layers. I was towards the end of my book, so it didn't matter if it was a bit bulky. So I'm here using puffy, is it puffy tape? Is it puffy tape? It's been so long I can't remember if it's called puffy tape, but yeah, so I wanted to just give it a little bit of dimension. And I do remember at the time when I was doing this, I thought, man, I should use this more often because it really does give just that ever so slight feeling of things sort of being a little bit dimensional. That made most sense, but I think you get what I mean. Once again, I like to make my life difficult and, you know, put things down and punch them after. So I don't recommend that. Don't do that. Because I cut out a lot of my fiddling with that because it would have driven you just as insane as it almost drove me. So yeah, and here I'm just sort of showing you I literally am just plopping it down. There's that word again. Literally just placing things down, having a bit of fun with the puffy tape. Is it puffy? Oh, I'm going to look it up now and then I'm going to put it on screen. You know that, don't you? So if it is puffy, I'm going to celebrate it. And I actually had I just had some work. I didn't have a photo for this one either. Sometimes I don't. I just want to put some thoughts down or, you know, just write some words out. Sometimes it can be a quote. I did actually fiddle a fair bit with this too. I didn't leave it all in. This video would have been like 4 hours long. No, not quite. That's very much an exaggeration. But I did want to use that pink little bird in the top corner with his little feet. Oh, just disappeared. But it just didn't fit properly. It was too big. And then I found this little one. I don't know if I've ever said this, but I love birds. They're like, especially like little fat chubber birds. Yeah, you can get them as ornaments and stuff fair bit. So I'm all about the birds. I know some people are scared of them, which, you know, I'm scared of spiders. So some people probably love spiders and think that's weird. But, oh, there is a flower there. I did manage to sneak one in. But yeah, so I do love birds, so it wasn't hard for me to want to use this bird in, and it's so cute in this layout. And as you can see, I'm wanting to create a real layered sort of almost organic, messy kind of look. So that's why I was just sort of putting things down crooked and that I decided to turn these around and make them crosses rather than pluses. Just looked better to me. Those glitter stickers are so gorgeous too. Oh my gosh, and then I fussed around for 6 hours with the bow. And then I actually did the worst thing. You'll see it in a minute, but I just couldn't get it to look the way I wanted it to look. Decided to stick it in, fiddled around with it a bit more again. Here I go. And then I did I should have just left it like that. It looks really nice, right? No, cut it. Now I'm not happy. I mean, I made my peace with it, but look at that. Like, what's the point of having it at all? This is a really good idea too. That's just a Tombow marker in like a really light pink colour. Surprise, surprise. But I do that sometimes to write my words on. I do this in my bullet journaling as well. It just gives you that little bit of, I don't know, shadow, no. It gives you a little bit of a background to write on, so I have no idea what I'm saying. And then I did this as well. I actually regret this a little bit. I think it just turned out a little bit, I went a bit crazy, turned out a bit too messy. It doesn't look too bad in the end, but as you can see, I sort of was smudging my work. So yeah, I went a bit over the top with that. Not like me at all. I think is that it? Oh my gosh, that's it again. Seriously, it really does go so quick. And I've got some photos here of the layout for you. And we're all done. So yes, you can get this kit still. I hope you enjoyed as per usual, and I will see you all next week. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.